morning. Looks like we're gonna have another great day. Some broken clouds in the sky. Had a great night's sleep in this covered little shack. Now I'm just waiting for my water to boil on the wood stove. It's a slow process, so I can have some hot chocolate and some oatmeal. And we're a couple hours outside of Dawson City, so as soon as I finish up here packing up, we'll get back on the road and check out what there is to see in Dawson City. Leaving just in time for the bugs to start. One last look. Let's hit the road. Back and look a little bit. Unbelievable. I found it. And that was probably had to come in about 15K. Whew! I didn't hold out much hope. Luckily it was in the middle of the road. Now, let's get back on today's agenda. And we're back. The on camera detour was about an hour. Stopped at a little rest area to have a little snack. We're about 45 minutes away from Dawson City. It's called Gravel Lake. So the Rocky Mountain lodgepole pine is only found in the Yukon. And apparently the gravel population's Yukon pine is distinct from all the others. Dawson City, here we come! I lost the camera again. It blew apart. Well, the case blew apart when it hit the road and I can't find the back side of it. The junction for the Dempster Highway and to get to Dawson City. Tomorrow we'll start heading up the Dempster probably. I just made it to this gas station running on fumes. Let's get up to Dawson City, see if I can find a new case for my old GoPro, but I doubt I'm gonna find anything that will help me. That camera might be done for this trip. Check out a little of Dawson City. It's like being in an old western. Staying in Dawson City tonight, but the weather is looking good for the next few days, so I don't want to waste next day if the weather's a shit. We're going to head up to Tombstone tonight, camp there, and we'll hike tomorrow, and then make our way up north to the Arctic Circle. So I'm at the turnoff to the Dempster Highway. I've got to fuel up with every last drop. So it's 400 kilometers to the next gas station. And even with my extra gas cans, I don't know if I can do it. So because of that, I'm even going to use my water bottle to get an extra 591 milliliters. Hopefully that gets me there. Hopefully this doesn't fall off like everything else I have. There we are, mile 0 of the Dempster. 70 kilometers to the campground. So should hopefully be pretty quick. It's the Dempster. And we're off. Campsite for this evening in Tombstone National Park. Got a pretty good spot, just about to get the fire going. And then I'm going to eat and then see if I can figure out how to fix that other GoPro and figure out what hike we're going to do tomorrow. Well, another day just about done. Sitting here by the nice warm fire. It's pretty chilly once you get away from it. I figured out tomorrow where we're going to hike. Angel Comb Peak, and we're just down here at the campground. So a quick drive up the road, we'll get the hike in, and then we'll continue on up and try and get to the Arctic Circle tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Jimmy Job.